Well, hey guys, just wanted to do another quick video for Aurum and deposit the rest of my what I intended to deposit. My test deposit has hit my dashboard. Went out for lunch, um, and came back, ran some errands, came back, saw that it hit my dashboard, and gonna go ahead and make the rest of my deposit here. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. Not a financial advisor. Never take anything I say as financial advice. If you are gonna jump into Aurum, do your own research and due diligence. Understand that there is risk involved in anything you do in the crypto space. Or if you're going to get in, only put in risk capital, guys, funds you can afford to lose. Also, follow me on Telegram. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Hit that little bell icon so you'll get notified straight away whenever I do a brand new video. So, that being said, guys, let's go ahead and dive into this. Going to go ahead and make a deposit, and then I'll go ahead and cover a few bullet points that I think I missed in my initial video. Some important key things that you want to know, especially if you want to be purely passive. Some cool things that I think I missed in my initial video. So let's go ahead and do that quick deposit here. So let's go ahead and hit replenish account. I already put 250 in, so I'll put the rest of my deposit in, 4,750 to top it up to 5,000 because I want to get into the $5,000 package, which if I look at the PDF right here, actually it's on the dashboard, but if I go to the PDF here, this $5,000 package should give me 12.64% per month. So again, if you look at all of these packages, nothing too crazy. You're not going to get any degen type numbers in this platform because again, this platform is designed to be sustainable, right? You look at these numbers, and again, they're numbers that, in my opinion, could be very sustainable, and this platform can be around for quite a bit. So again, legacy type numbers, legacy type platform numbers. Again, this is day one. Platform just launched. So let's go ahead and get in. We want to get in on day one and start earning from this platform. It is USDT TRC20 only. You deposit and withdraw only in USDT TRC20. So let's go ahead and do that. So again, there's no other options here. It's USDT, the Tron network. We'll continue. And it'll give us an address here. Over to my wallet. Do a little bit of USDT in here for this video. For the remaining amount, so I can top it up to 5,000, 4,750. Let's send that over. And all we need to do now is just wait for the confirmations. You see your confirmations needed, 15. Once those confirmations are done, it'll show up on my dashboard. Then I can go ahead and get into the $5,000 package. So hopefully that'll happen on this video. If not, then I'll show it on my next update video. Either way, you saw me make a live deposit, but I want to cover a couple of quick things here. Some important bullet points that I may have missed. So let's talk a little bit about this platform. Okay, number one, first and foremost, it is day one. This platform just launched a couple of hours ago. If you watched my initial video, I made that video. The platform had launched about 10 minutes right before I made that video. Now, real quick, guys, if you make a deposit into this platform, it pays out 7 days a week. Okay, now this is the monthly that you can expect, but just know that it pays out 7 days a week. Transparency, okay, because they're going to be showing their live trading. There's a tab inside of the back office that shows live trading. Now, it's not live just yet. That's something that they're going to be showing soon. Now, here's a big thing here that I forgot to mention. No expiration of your deposit. So unlike other platforms where you earn until you hit 200% or 300% or 400%, and then you need to repurchase a package or make a new deposit. Again, nothing wrong with that. This particular platform, there's no expiration of your deposit. In other words, you make a deposit like this $5,000 deposit I'm going to make. I'm going to earn 12.64% a month, and I'm going to earn that every single month for the life of the platform, for however long this platform runs, even if I hit 200% or 300%, or, knock on wood, if it continues to run and I've hit 4, 5, 6x, it'll continue to pay me as long as I don't pull the funds out. Because again, you can pull your funds out of this. You can pull your principal out of this up to 65% of your principal. You can pull out anytime you want. Why? Because there's a 35% withdrawal fee. Because again, there's affiliate commissions that get paid when you make a deposit. So they have to recoup that, right? They can't pay out commissions and then you pull out 100% of your capital. They're going to be at a loss. So again, there's a withdrawal fee. Now, if you withdraw your principal after 1 year, then there's no more withdrawal fee. You can pull out 100% of your capital. But if it's within the first year, you could only pull out 65% of your principal, which is totally fair, right? There's still flexibility there because other platforms you can't even pull out any of it, right? So again, cool thing about this is you can earn up to 15% per month, right? Here's the breakdown on the different packages, right? That this is the deposit range. So you can make up to 15% per month, and you can withdraw 65% of your principal anytime you want. And then you can compound or withdraw your daily earnings. As you earn, you're going to have the ability to compound or withdraw in USDT TRC20. It's up to you. Again, there's a differential compensation plan. Again, we'll do a deep dive into the compensation plan on another video because again, the differential overrides, it's very, very powerful. Okay, if you're a builder and you can bring people in and you can go wide, there's an enormous amount of money you can make with this compensation plan. Now, again, if you want to be purely passive and you don't even want to refer anyone, that's fine too. I mean, the ability to earn up to 15% per month and withdraw out your capital, I mean, that's pretty powerful. There's a lot of platforms that, people make, I can name off the top of my head. I'm not gonna on this video, but I can name off the top of my head several platforms that paid out, 10, 12, 15% a month that ran for a long time that people made a killing with. And they didn't even give you the ability to withdraw out any of your capital, much less no expiration date. Like a lot of those platforms, once you hit 200, 300, or 400%, you have to go back in and purchase another package. This one, not only can you earn up to 15% per month, you can pull out 65% of your capital and there's no expiration date, right? No expiration of your deposit. Powerful, right? So again, differential comp plan, matching on your deposits, matching on your profits. What I mean by that is as you build a team and they're earning from their deposit, you're going to get a matching on everyone on your team. Okay, so again, that could be quite lucrative. And of course, there's rank bonuses that you can earn up to $3 million in rank bonuses. Those are one-time bonuses that you can trigger as you move through the system. So again, we'll do overviews and deep dives into the comp plan. Again, I don't want to too deep into that right now. But again, I just want to hit on a couple of these bullet points that I think I missed on my initial video. So again, very, very powerful stuff. No expiration I missed on your deposit. And I hit on the ability to withdraw 65% of your capital. So let me see if it hit my dashboard. It may not have, because again, it takes a little time. Oh, there it is. Okay, so there's my $5,000 deposit. So if I go over here, I'll go to create deposit. So now you see it here on the main balance. All I got to do here is go to deposit amount and type in 5,000, right? Okay, there's no fee to enter this package. So as I say, 5,000 USDT will be spent. That's the amount that I have in my balance. Make sure you tick this little box off, okay? And you hit create deposit, and that's it. Deposit successfully created. Accruals will start at 12 a.m. Or 12 p.m. UTC, depending on the deposit schedule. So again, depending on when you activate your deposit. So that's pretty much it. We are live. We're good to go. I just purchased my $5,000 package, and it's a done deal. So Again, very, very powerful stuff, guys. If you want to check this out, it is day one, guys. We're seeing this at the very, very beginning. Again, this can be a legacy type platform. Imagine getting into a legacy platform on day one. That is the opportunity here with Aurum. So we'll give you guys more updates on this. You can follow our journey. We'll give you our progress with this particular platform. Make sure you follow us on Telegram, subscribe to the channel. And with that being said, I will catch you on the next one. Peace.